In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the payment method on Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're updating your card details or simply switching to a different payment option, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, in a way that's easy to follow and implement. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and navigating over to primevideo.com. Once there, you'll want to log into your Amazon Prime Video account. This is done by clicking on the Sign In button and entering your email address and password. Make sure to check your login details thoroughly to avoid any issues accessing your account. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Usually, it will display your name or a generic user image. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, filled with various options related to your account. Here, you're going to select the option labeled Account and Settings. This section allows you to manage numerous aspects of your Prime Video account, giving you greater control over your viewing preferences and payment options. Next, you will notice a series of tabs. Look for the one titled Set Payment Method. This is where you're able to modify and update the payment selection associated with your account. Upon clicking, a new screen will load that provides options related to your billing and payments. The next step involves clicking on Manage Wallet. This takes you to a more detailed page where all your current payment options are displayed. Think of this as the perfect opportunity to ensure that your preferred payment method is both current and active, preventing any potential service interruptions. Within this section, you'll see a list or a drop-down menu under Your Digital Wallets. This is your go-to spot to manage existing payment methods or to introduce a new one. Want to add a new payment method? It's as simple as clicking on Add a new payment method. A series of prompts will guide you, ensuring that you input the necessary details like card number, expiration date, and security code. With everything set up as per your preference, make sure to save all the modifications you've made. Look out for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page to ensure that all changes are correctly applied to your account. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully updated your payment method on Amazon Prime Video. Remember, keeping up-to-date payment details ensures an uninterrupted viewing experience. Thanks for following along today, and happy watching.